Terminology. Terminology. And basically that is just the names, the actual word names for the parts of problems. For example here, if you have 6 plus 8 is 14, the two things you add together are called the, anybody remember this from years gone by? What is the mathematical name for the two things you add together? Oh good, we do remember. Addends. Addends. The answer to an addition problem is, yes, it's something special. How about subtraction? If you have 15 minus 7 equals 8, this gets a little goofy. Anybody know what the name? Well, let's do the answer first, just because. Yeah, it's in the book, Brooksy. Answer to a subtraction problem is, Madison?
It is, sorry, I'm really confused right now. It is the difference.
It is the difference. What's the difference? And you'll rarely ever hear these, but you are in 7th grade, so I guess we might as well know. Procala, the thing that's getting subtracted from is the minuend. And the thing that's being subtracted is the subtrahend. Someday, when you're on Jeopardy and they ask you this question, you will know. Otherwise, I don't know when it would ever really come up in math, but hey, you are there. When you multiply things together, let's say 5 times 9 is 45. The two things that get added or multiplied together are the, Ava? Factors. Now, why do you suppose there's not a different name for the 6 and the 8 and the 5 and the 9? There's a good reason for that. Julia?
Because you can switch them around.
Because you can switch them around. It doesn't matter which one you do. You can't switch around a subtraction problem. I can't put the 7 there and subtract 15 from it. Same thing with division. Oh, let's do this. What's the answer to a multiplication problem? Stupford?
The product.
El producto. And then when you have the division problem, which color shall we go with here?
8.
What'd you say? 16 divided by 8 is 2. The answer to a division problem, do pink for Andrew. Answer to the division problem is, Bella?
Quotient.
The quotient. And then you've got the other two thing there. The first one, Alex?
The dividend.
The dividend. And the other one that you find in your car is, Kaylee?
Divisor.
Divisor. You know when the sun gets really, really hot or in your eyes and you can't see to put down divisor? That would be all those jokes that never get laughed at. So make sure you have that, because I'm sure on some quiz it'll ask you to label those or talk about those or whatever. Do you have something else? What's your question?
Like in the division, would you, if you would like switch the 6 and the, the 6 and if you did switch it, would they still have the, like, the A would be the divisor still? Or?
No, whatever numbers begin with dividing, 16 divided by 8 is called a divisor. The 8 moves here and the 16 moves there, you get a fraction, but it's still, this is the 16 would then be the divisor, and that would be they stay the same. Everybody's good with that before we forge ahead? Good. So now we have what we call, I think, the properties of addition and multiplication. So a blank piece of paper, I will try to stop and start.